This is a MIDI drum. We have a bass drum and a snare. This is obviously 3D printed from parts I got online on Thingiverse. And I designed the bass drum myself, which I laser cut. And that was based on a design I saw online, but it's all my measurements, all my work in eMachine. So basically, it has a piezo sensor and a little trigger here, this cone trigger, that senses it senses analog signals, and my code converts it to MIDI that my digital audio workstation can recognize.
Oh, very cool. Can we see it do a couple little things? Is that possible?
Yeah.
Very nice. Very cool. And this is all programmed with the Teensy. So the Teensy's collecting all the data then.
Yeah.
Very nice. All right. Good job.